In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a footer in Mailchimp. So start by logging into your account, then click on campaigns in the left panel. Now here look for the specific email where you want the footer to be removed. Then click on edit design to open up the email design builder. Now once inside your layout, scroll all the way to the bottom where your footer block appears. This section usually includes your business address, unsubscribe link, and permissions reminder. And to remove this, simply click on this block, and beside it, you should see this trash bin icon from the toolbar. And all you have to do is click this to remove the footer block. And as you can see, it has become an empty drop zone where it is automatically hidden in the final email. To save your changes, click on Save and Exit. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!